Hi friends! Today we are having fun drawing this freezing weather icon. Let's get started. Let's draw a thermometer first, and for this we will draw a circle with the gap on top. On the top of that circle we are going to draw two parallel lines. And we will connect them with one curve. Alright, now we are going to draw the same shape inside, but with this upper part being shorter. Let's draw two short lines here and add smaller circle. And finish the shape with another curve. Here we will add some thinner lines to show the thickness of the glass. Okay, it looks good. Now we can add his funny frozen face. We will start with two lines and add eyes on top of them. Smaller circles inside. Add highlights and fill the rest of the space in. Now let's draw eyebrows. They're gonna curve up like this. So now we can draw his mouth. It's gonna be an oval. We will add curves from both sides and fill them in. And when you draw his teeth, try to use thinner lines. Now let's add some ice to show that the weather is really super freezing. Alright, we are done with thermometer here. Now we need to draw a snowflake. Start with this circle on the upper left side of the drawing. And now to be able to draw this snowflake symmetrical, we're gonna need some guidelines. Let's put one spot here, right above the circle. At the same distance from the circle but down, we're gonna put one more dot. And between those dots, we are going to put two more dots at approximately same distance. And same from the right side. Alright, this is our guideline. And now from each dot we are going to draw straight lines. They're gonna be all same length. So finally it's gonna look like the sun. Now we need to draw exactly same line near each line that we got before. And make sure you add each line from the same side. Now let's connect the lines that are further apart. And that curve gonna match the circle in the center. Above each curve that we got right now, we are going to draw an angle. connecting two lines nearby. And we're gonna draw one more row of those angles on the top. The next step is to extend those two lines a little bit more, like this. Like you imagine that you go on drawing the same line. We did the most part, just only those ends missing. And to draw the ends, we are going to add a curve right above each line that we got. So it will look something like this. These two ends are behind the thermometer, so we are not going to draw them. So now all what's left is to close those gaps, and we will add double curve from each side. Okay, that was not easy, but we did it. The snowflake looks great. Now let's get to the coloring, and after that we will go to my favorite part where we get creative with our finished drawing. See you shortly. Here is our finished freezing icon, and it was a lot of fun for me to draw it. And by the way, you can draw just the face of this thermometer and use it as a frozen face emoji. Or if you want to play with this drawing even more, you can easily draw this icon with the opposite meaning. Just change a snowflake to be the sun and hot face instead of frozen. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!